video instruction for assembling the GSI-sport tennis table, model Profy 200. The tennis table is delivered in two boxes, each containing one half of the tennis table. Unpack all tennis table parts and match them with the assembly manual. Let's consider assembling a tennis table using one half as an example. At the first stage of assembling the undercarriage, you will need two support T-legs, a connecting bar, and fasteners. Attach the connecting bar to the T-leg with the bolt, position number 7, and the bolt, position number 9. Install the washers, position number 13, and tighten both connections securely with the nut, position number 11. The next step of assembling the undercarriage is to install the latches for the vertical position of the planed surface. First, set the bolt, position number 8, and the plastic sleeve, position number 15, in their place. Next, put together the parts of the latch number 5 and number 6, and then install them in their place as well. Finally, tighten the latch from the bottom using the nut, position number 11, and from the top using the washer, number 13, and the lock nut, position number 12. The top connection should not be tightened too hard. The latch should be free to move. Next, you need to attach the undercarriage to the playing surface. For this purpose, use the bolt, position number 10, and the lock nut, position number 13. Put the table on the wheels. You will need 2 people for this step. At the final stage of assembling the table, connect the undercarriage and the external support legs with the help of a guide rod, position number 4. Use a bolt, position number 8, a plastic sleeve, position number 15, and a lock nut, position number 12, for the assembly. Place the tennis table in a playing position, putting both halves together. The tennis table is ready to play. Enjoy it and remember that the tennis is both sport and emotion.